Rich dad lawyer got me out of totaling his BMW at 16 and taught me privilege is real. My dad was a successful lawyer, and I grew up in a wealthy family. When I was 16, I was driving my dad's BMW and got into an accident. I was fine, but the car was totaled. The other driver was a middle-aged woman, and she was also okay. The police came, and I was given a ticket for running a red light. My dad was furious when he found out. He told me that I had to go to court and face the consequences of my actions. I was terrified. I didn't want to go to court. I didn't want to get in trouble, but my dad insisted. The day of the court hearing, my dad drove me to the courthouse. I was shaking with fear. We went inside, and my dad told me to wait in the hallway. He went into the courtroom, and I could hear him talking to the judge. After a few minutes, my dad came out and told me that the case had been dismissed. I was relieved, but I was also confused. I asked my dad how he had managed to get the case dismissed. He told me that he had simply explained to the judge that I was a good kid who had made a mistake. He said that the judge had agreed to dismiss the case if I promised to be more careful in the future. I was grateful to my dad for getting me out of trouble, but I also felt guilty. I knew that I had gotten away with something that I shouldn't have. I knew that if I hadn't been rich, I would have had to face the consequences of my actions.